sure that if I'm pointing to them. If you're happy to be here, scream! Right. We want to see some happy people over here. Perhaps we can get one of our happy ambassadors up there if you're really, really pumped to be here.